Hello guys, welcome back to Good Hero Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix YouTube error. There was a problem with the network 400 in Android and how to fix this up. You can try this method on all the Android devices. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to tap on, you have to select your YouTube. Let me open my YouTube. And once it is done, you have to tap on the top right. There is a profile icon, you have to tap on it. Now from here you just have to tap on settings. From here you just have to tap on general at the top, and now you just have to scroll down, and as you can see that at the bottom there is restricted mode, right? You just have to turn this off. Once it is turned this off, you just have to go back to the home screen, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. Do a restart also if it is demanding, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.